Hi, to rename your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5, we have two ways how to do it. First one is if we will open settings, then go to this tab named connections and open Bluetooth settings. Here you can see that I got these earbuds named as Pix Redmi Buds 5. By clicking on this setting icon here, we can see this option rename. By clicking on it here, we can enter any type and we can also use emojis. And when you're done, click on this button rename and now you have your custom name for your earbuds. And the second way is with the help of the Xiaomi Earbuds application. By clicking on it here, we would need to click on this button which is saying manage your earphones. And when we will get to this menu, hold your finger on the Redmi Buds 5 until you will see these two options and choose rename earphones. Here we would need to remove the old name and now enter the name that you would like to see and click rename button. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.